Leero luyingidde olunaku olwokubiri nga akakiiko kano kanoonyeza ku mivuyo egiri mu Centenary Park okusuka omugwa luli wakati wa kampani ya Nalong Estates ssaako ebitongole bya gavumenti omuli KCCA, National Water ne UNRA. Olwaleero ba kampani ya Nalong Estates bebabadde mu ddiiro nga banyonnyola ku bikwatagana eriizi KCCA gye bawa. Geoffrey Nyakano omu ku badirekita mu kampani eno ategeeza akakiiko nga KCCA bwe zeebayisa obubi omuli n'okugaana okuzza obuggya kontrakita yaabwe.
If you follow history, the ED has always wanted this land. She terminated the management contract, leading to a court case, and KCC losing 732 million shillings in damages. What does that mean? Malice, ill will, and how can the ED surrender the authority land to union without the KCC resolution, alone and aloof?
Sala Kizito Mukanyakana era nga ne director mu company yemu agamba Jennifer Musi tamwagalira ddala era nga takozesa palamenti okumulemesa. Kyokka kinakulya akakiiko kano Abdu Katuntu takitutte bulungi.
We went to the president, we've been to the minister of Kampala, and now here we are. We keep going round and round and round, and hopefully this is going to be our last stop, because we have suffered. We have been paying lawyers and valuers and all sorts of things. Please, I just want you to be considerate, because these are two women squeezing fellow women, and they are supposed to be saved.
The ED now wants to use Parliament undercover of UNRA to take what she failed to take. It is not true that Nalong Estates is frustrating infrastructure development.
So we are here doing a national job, and we take everybody's interest in mind, because we have sworn by this constitution to do right to all manner of people.
Akakiiko be katukalagidde aba Nalong Estates okulungamya obulungi ensonga nga beesigama ku mateeka so si kuwalampa buli omu.
For us, we follow one thing, law. The minister has the right to give out KCC land. You think so?
Then
The executive director doesn't have that right either.
Does the minister sign any contract?
Chair.
No. Go to the next question. I can tell you are swimming in familiar water.
Sala Kizito abuziddwa emirundi egiwera ku ngeri gyeyafunamu ekifo kino kyayagala liizi ezibwa obujja.
The council gave us an extension.
Who signs your lease? Who signs your lease?
The ED signs the lease, but she has to follow the council's orders.
Who signs your lease?
Why do we elect leaders? These leaders are there to
Madam
help us.
Sarah Kizito, don't go into politics.
Kizito agamba olukiiko lwa KCCA lwasalawo okuzza obujja liizi eno Jennifer Musisi yagaana okukiteeka mu nkola.
Are you the one now implementing the resolution?
No, the council said everything stays as it is until they conclude. Status quo. So we are there rightfully.
Section 17, there shall be an executive director of the KCCA Act, who shall be the chief executive of the authority.
Expired. And I thought it was upon the landlord to say I'm renewing or not renewing.
Kwa akakiiko kakkiriza aba National Water okukola emirimu gyabwe egyali gyayimirira. Kati akakiiko kasese enkulu wa polisi General Kale Kayihura alabikako eri ababaka bano annyonnyola ebikwata ku by'okwerinda mu kifo kino.
In the morning, we are going to have a meeting with the Inspector General of Police to make sure that there should be no disruption at all over laying of national water pipes.
Akakiiko kakyagenda mu maaso n'okunoonyereza.